Hi guys! Welcome to Richard Cabilo YouTube channel. And today, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-load ng UTP 10 gamit ang ating mobile phone. So okay guys, let's start! So ayan guys, tuturo ko na pala sa inyo ang UTP 10. So gawin nyo lang is, dial nyo lang ang asterisk 1, 2, 3 number sign, then call. So guys, may mga pamimilian dyan na denomination ng Talkntext. So ang pipiliin nyo lang is yung number 5. Hanapin nyo yung other offers. So nasa number 5 siya. So type nyo lang ang 5, then click nyo yung send. So ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa pamimilian ng mga denominational load or iba't ibang klaseng load na Talkntext. So ang ating load is yung UTP 10. So nasa number 3 siya. So i-type nyo lang yung 3, then click nyo yung send. So ayan guys, ang UTP ay may pamimilian 10 pesos, 15 pesos, and 150. So bali guys, this tutorial is for 10 pesos. So UTP 10. So type nyo lang yung 1, then click nyo yung send. So bali makakatanggap ka dyan ng only text to TriNet, auto honor to Smart Sun and Talkntext, plus 50 minutes to TriNet, plus 50 text to other network. For 1 day siya, or only 10 pesos. To subscribe, type nyo lang yung 1, yung may subscribe words, then type nyo yung 1, then click send. So thank you. A text confirmation will be sent shortly. Remember to always use asterisk 1, 2, 3 number sign to get the latest and best offer of Talkntext. So hey guys, that's it, and thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Thanks.